Hello friends, assalamu alaikum to my YouTube channel. Today I gonna show you how to repair your corrupted SD card or pen drive without any software. I have already attached a pen drive of 8 GB to my PC. First of all, you have to right click on the my computer icon, go to manage. This interface will pop up. You have to click on the disk management. Sorry, it is just loading. Here it is, the pen drive I have attached to my computer. It is showing media that 7.96 GB. So you have to cross it, refresh it, go to start button, type here CMD. This icon appear, right click on CMD and click as run as administrator. Yes, this interface will open. You have to write here disk part, just enter it, then type here list disk, enter it. These are the disks attached to my PC. The one is that my hard disk 0 online 74 GB, and the other is my pen drive of 8156 MB. So you have to enter here a command, select disk 1, enter it. Now the disk 1 is selected disk, so you have to type here clean, enter it. Disk part succeeded in cleaning the disk. Now you have to enter create partition primary, enter it, and enter active, enter it again. Disk part mark the current partition as active. Close that interface, refresh it, go to my computer. There it is, the pen drive. Right click on this, format it, start, OK. Here it is, formatted, OK. Now the pen drive is showing all the media and properties. Here it is, 7.94 GB. So this is our today video. I'm gonna show you in the next video if your pen drive is not showing media. So if you like this video, please subscribe to our channel by pressing the bell icon for the latest uploads. Allah Hafiz for today's video.